You gotta need to change these settings if you don't want Microsoft spying on you, because they're training your AI model and they gather even more data if you use Copilot all the time. And that's not cool, right? So today I'm going to show you how to shut down and protect your own privacy. So let's go. We're going to find your privacy settings in seconds and flip the AI training toggle off forever and protect your past, present and future chats. So let's understand what Microsoft is actually doing. Microsoft uses your conversations with Copilot, Bing, and Microsoft Start to train their generative AI models. Unless you're opt-out. That means your words are helping build their AI without explicit permission. Your data gets anonymized, but it's still being used. Knowing this is your first defense. So Microsoft automatically collects and uses your conversation data for training if you're logged in with a Microsoft account or third-party authentication. You've got 30 days after opting out for changes to reflect system-wide. So this is very important. Microsoft doesn't train on your email contents or uploaded file contents, just conversations about them. So inside Copilot. So if you're not logged in, Microsoft doesn't train on your chats. But let's go and access privacy settings on Windows or Mac OS. Your privacy control settings are hidden in plain sight, but most people never find them because they're not advertised. Getting to these settings would take less than a minute. And once you're there, you can finally flip off that AI data collection setting. So let's do it in Copilot on your Windows or Mac device. Click your profile icon, usually top right, and then select settings. Then navigate to privacy and you would see options for personalization and model training on text. These are your kill switches. Just disable them immediately. So these are the main toggles that will stop Microsoft from using conversations to train your AI. Flipping the single switch will block your past, present and future chats from being fed into their systems. So turn off model training on text and Microsoft won't be using your text conversations for training anymore. It will take 30 days for the impact to be visible, so do remember that. Also, disable voice model training. If you are talking to Copilot using voice commands, Microsoft also trains on your voice interactions. Disabling this stops your voice data from being used in the same way. If you have never used voice mode, you can actually skip this step, but it's still recommended to turn it off. So in the same settings, on the profile icon, then settings, privacy menu, look for model training on voice. Make sure to turn this one off also. Your voice is unique, like a fingerprint. Microsoft collects voice data to make Copilot understand accents, speech patterns, and tones. So when you opt out, they will stop. They can still understand your voice, the feature still works, but they won't be using it to train their new models. I hope you've learned something about Microsoft collecting your data, and now you've turned this off, you can safely use more of Microsoft, their apps. I do recommend that you search alternatives like Proton, Mail, DuckDuckGo, and Proton also has a drive, Proton also has authentication, so I recommend that you use Proton, but they also have trackers, so who knows, you might never be safe. But I do really highly recommend Proton. It's better than their competitors in many ways. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe if this was useful, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.